Welcome. So folks, we have here two different oil filters and I want to go over a quick comparison and show you what I have found taking apart 15 different type of oil filters and what I've learned. And I've learned in this case that AC Delco and Champ filters made by Champion Laboratories is actually the same exact filter. And this one right here, the Champ one, is priced a lot lower than the AC Delco. Now, you know, geometrically they look exactly the same, and size-wise they're exactly the same. Construction-wise they're exactly the same. Okay, they got literally the same exact seals, the same exact base plate design. Okay, same exact inlet ports and outlet size. This is for the same exact application of a vehicle and engine. So these are the same exact filter application, and they're the exact same filter assembly. Okay, just labeled differently. So if you were, wondering if, Champ is the same as AC Delco, it's very possible. Now, the only thing I don't know is the filter media. They look to be exactly the same. Are they the same? I don't know. Is this a synthetic media versus a paper? I don't know, because the color of the media itself is exactly the same. As you can see there, we have a green mark here and we have a black mark here on the filter media. I don't know what that means, but if you look at the actual features and the geometry of the filters, they're exactly the same. They got the same internal cage, okay? Same internal structure, end caps, full metal end caps on either side, exactly the same. They look exactly the same. The stamping is exactly the same. The patterns on the tooling that came from the tooling is all there. It's all exactly the same, basically replica. The drain back valve, okay, sorry, the bypass valve, okay, I've been mixing those two up, but these two here, these things right here are called the bypass valve. They have an external design which are easy to operate. They look exactly the same spring, same plastic retainer and everything, okay. The bypass valve is there to basically bypass dirty oil in the event that your filter media is completely clogged and it does not, collapse the filter or rupture the filter. It's going to bypass the dirty oil instead, okay? That's a safety feature built into every single one of these oil filters I've taken apart so far. I have 15 different filters I've taken apart. So if you want to check those out, I'll place them down below the video. But from my understanding here, this is exactly the same filter. There's very little difference in the color or the shade of white or off yellow, off white on the filter media. So I'm going to say they're the exact same. I don't know if it's a fully synthetic or a paper filter. That's something I would have to look, or you have to look on the site. But when it comes to basic kind of rundown, it looks exactly the same. Okay, everything about the can is the same, just different color. They're both made in the USA. Okay, so they're stamped with made in the USA, so that means they could be manufactured at the same exact plant, and they just label them differently depending on certain aspects. I don't know, because they both look exactly the same to me, But I wanted to put the video out there to show you guys firsthand that these look exactly the same. There is like literally no difference besides that mark on the filter, which is, this one's green on the AC Delco and black on the Champ. Okay, but that's going to be it for the video, guys, for the AC Delco Gold filter and Champ comparison. And if you have any questions or comments, please place it down below the video and check out my other oil filter comparison videos where I go in depth, cutting them open, talking about the internal geometry and things I notice and observations I share with you guys. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.